Okay, back inside the Systems Accelerator Manager, we're going to navigate on the left-hand side back into the contact section. Now, once we're in the contact section, we can go ahead and either double click on a contact or click slide to the right and then hit this edit button. Now, the other thing that we are going to touch on, we have connections, which basically connections allow us to add a specific contact that is tied to this contact. So for example, Mark is my father. That is our connection. Elizabeth is my partner. She and I are significant others. That is our connection. And so now you can, at a glance, reference all of these different connections that we have. So if you want to add a connection, what you do is add connection on the top right-hand side. You can either search for a contact, or if for some reason, Harry is not in your contact list, you can add a new contact while you're here and you can create that connection. So let's go ahead and add Harry as a connection. Well, Harry would be one of the different types of connections. Let's call him my brother. And the reciprocal, or what I would be to Harry, if he's my brother, I'm his brother, right? If for some reason it needs to be adjusted, it could be brother or sister. He would be my brother. If you want to throw a note in, you can throw a note. And this is a great place for us to add referrals. So is Harry a referral of yours? And you can kind of denote those connection types. So once you save that, now Harry is added as a connection. I can click on Harry and it'll bring me into his contact card if I want to reference that. And if I click back, it'll bring me back into my contact card.